So next, our speaker is Saniya, and she will be talking on GST registration. So वीडियो बहुत अच्छी बनाई है, मैंने कहा 80% बहुत अच्छी वीडियो बनाई है. Please आप उसे करो.
Good morning, respected sir, ma'am, and all of you present over here. I am Saniya Usmani. Today I am here for giving presentation, and my presentation topic is GST registration. So before going to GST registration, I want to explain about the meaning of GST. So GST is an indirect tax that is charged on supply of goods and services. There are mainly four types of GST. First is CGST, SGST, IGST, and UGST. GST is the subsumed process of subsumed indirect taxes, which consume all other indirect taxes like excise duty, property tax, sales tax, etc. So now moving first GST registration. GST registration is the process of enrolling a taxpayer to a GST code. It means the person who want to do a business, they have to register the business in a GST portal. After registering into the portal, GST IN is issued. So here is the meaning of GST IN. So GST IN stands for GST identification number. It is a 15-digit number that is issued to a taxpayer for registering under the GST regime. It is important and it is used for filing GST returns, collecting GST from customers, claiming ITC. ITC means input paid tax credit, and conducting business from one state to another. If the person or taxpayer do not register under GST, he can no claim GST or collect GST returns. Now moving towards the structure of GST IN. So this is the structure of GST IN. Here, this is the example. So here the first one, let me show you a more complex easily way. This is the format of GST IN. So the first two digits represent state code. For example, if the taxpayer is of UP, then here show 093. After this, the 10 digits show the next 10 digits show the PAN of the taxpayer. Here the 5 digits is alpha, means alphabetically, and the 4 digits in number form, and the other next digit is again alpha. And the next digit, the 13 digit, is show the number of registration is done by the taxpayer on the same PAN. Here it is shown 0. It means the taxpayer has not done registration with the same PAN. In previous slide, we showed there is a 1. It means they have done the one registration in same PAN. Now the 14 digits show it is a default. It is a redundant digit which is issued by the GST portal themselves. And the last is check summary. Check summary is used. It is prepared by algorithm, and it is prepared by addition, subtraction, by weightage and multiplication of the digits. And here is the it is very important because it is used to check the accuracy of data. If there is errors in the number, then here it will be not allowed. It is converted into one digit. Now the who should register under the GST. So the first is turnover based registration. The business who is doing who have goods of fertilizer within the states, they can register under it is mandatory. All the services who have 20 lakhs of services and 10 lakhs for special categories which like hilly areas, they have to register. Now there is mandatory cases. There are in spite of turnover base, there is mandatory cases also to register under GST. So first is retail state supply, means when the business is supplying goods from one state to another, they have to register under GST. Second one is e-commerce seller. E-commerce seller means when the businesses is doing or selling goods and services online, just like Amazon, they have to register under the GST code. Third one is paper tax, paper portal. So what is portal, they do not have mandatory, but they are because they have benefits like they have to claim in ITC and it increases business credibility. They have to work more professionally. Now there is a type of registration. So the first type is normal taxpayer. Normal taxpayer, the normal businessman who supply business services from one state to another. Now the second one is compulsion scheme. Compulsion scheme, it is a process in which the person who is registered under compulsion scheme, they have to pay the tax below the normal tax rate to for a GST. It is for the person who have turnover below the 150 crore. The third one is taxable tax person as I speak explain previously, non-resident explain and ISP. ISP is the headquarter who distribute the ITC to businesses. Now the documents required for registration. So there are three categories for individual, for companies and for partnership firms. So first is for companies. Sorry, for individual. The first one is PAN card. It is of 10 digits, and the second is Aadhaar card. Third one is photographs and bank account details and address proof. It includes electricity bill, rent agreement, etc. Now the for companies. For companies, certificate of incorporation, MOA and AOA. MOA, it will give information about the company's procedure and rules, and AOA, it gives the information about internal certification of the companies. And authorized signature means DSP is also with digital signature and bank details. And the third one is for partnership forms. It gives partnership details, the partnership deed. Second one is plan of the firm and the partners. And the third one is address proof. Partnership deed tells about the rules and regulation of the partnership. What the partners should do. It includes that sharing profit ratio, conducting how to business, etc. Now the procedure for registration. So the person who want to register themselves in the GST portal, they have to visit the portal that is gsd.gov.in. After going to the portal, they have to click on new registration. After this, part A form will be open. They have to fill the details of PAN, mobile number, email ID, and after filling this form, they receive a OTP. After OTP, verifying OTP, they will get TR. TR will be get after 10 to 15 minutes. After that, they have to fill the part B form. It has business details, bank details, and address proof documents. After uploading all the documents, the person has to submit the application. After verification, the tax officer approves the application of the GST. The person will get the GST registration after some particular time. These are the websites of GST, and this is the new registration window. When the person has to register, it will be shown like this. After this, the person can get temporary reference number. Their portal should look like this. So I completed my presentation on that. Registration is very important for the businessman who has a turnover of more than 20 to 10 lakhs and 40 lakhs. It will help in maintaining transparency, reducing tax evasion, and simplifying taxes. Main important function of GST is that its main important feature is that one nation, one tax. It simplifies all